As winter recedes, spring ushers in a vibrant symphony of life. It compels species across diverse ecosystems to reproduce. This critical period, marked by increasing daylight, rising temperatures, and abundant food, triggers profound biological shifts. From the European common frog, emerging from hibernation, to fill quiet ponds with calls and jelly-like eggs, every creature responds to nature's powerful signal. Migratory birds, like the barn swallow, return to build nests, filling the air with courtship songs. The timing is meticulously orchestrated. Tadpoles hatch into warm, algae-rich waters. Bird chicks emerge when insects are plentiful, ensuring optimal conditions for growth and survival. This initial surge of activity sets the stage for the continuation of life cycles, demonstrating spring's unparalleled role as the season of renewal and procreation. But the symphony of new life extends far beyond the ponds and skies. In the dappled light of woodlands and across vast grasslands, mammals, too, begin their crucial preparations for offspring. Consider the red fox, a creature of cunning and adaptability. After the subtle rituals of late winter mating, the female fox, or vixen, seeks out a secure den. This hidden sanctuary, often an abandoned burrow or a secluded hollow, becomes the nursery for her future kits. Her timing is impeccable, aligning perfectly with spring's bounty. As the earth awakens, so does a rich tapestry of small prey, mice, voles, and insects, along with tender new plant growth, provide an abundant larder for the nursing mother. This ensures she can sustain herself and, critically, produce enough milk to nourish her rapidly growing litter. Imagine the struggle. If these kits were born into the biting grip of winter, survival would be a far more perilous gamble. Instead, they arrive precisely when the ecosystem is brimming with resources, offering them the best possible start in a challenging world. This pattern of synchronized birth extends to larger mammals as well. The elegant roe deer, for instance, gives birth when the grasslands are lush, fresh. Verdant vegetation provides the vital nutrients the mother deer needs to produce milk for her fawns. Moreover, the taller spring grasses offer natural camouflage, hiding the vulnerable newborns from the keen eyes of predators. The survival of these delicate young animals hinges entirely on the season being just right, a testament to nature's precision. Even the smallest, most industrious creatures join this wave of reproduction. The western honeybee, a symbol of diligent community, becomes incredibly active as spring unfolds. With every blooming flower, a new opportunity arises. Bees diligently collect nectar and pollen, fueling the vigorous growth and expansion of their colonies. The queen, the heart of the hive, lays eggs at an accelerated pace, responding to the influx of resources. New worker bees emerge, ready to contribute to the collective effort. The entire hive buzzes with renewed purpose and energy, a microcosm of spring's overarching theme. From the largest deer to the tiniest bee, each species plays its part in this grand, seasonal drama. Spring is not merely a change in weather. It is a biological imperative, a powerful call to life. It orchestrates a delicate balance of timing, resources, and instinct, ensuring the continuation of countless species. The world pulsates with the promise of future generations, all thanks to the awakening power of spring. As spring's vibrant symphony of life compels amphibians and birds to reproduce, its reproductive imperative extends far beyond, encompassing mammals and even insects. The season's embrace provides the perfect conditions for a multitude of creatures to bring forth new generations, ensuring the intricate dance of nature continues. Consider the cunning red fox, whose mating rituals unfold in the late winter snows. By early spring, deep within hidden dens, the vixen gives birth to her litter of kits. These tiny, helpless bundles of fur emerge into a world rapidly awakening. The burgeoning availability of small prey voles, mice, and ground-nesting birds becomes a vital lifeline, sustaining the lactating mother and her growing young. She hunts tirelessly, her instincts sharp, providing the nourishment essential for their survival. The kids, initially blind and dependent, soon venture out, their playful antics a testament to the abundance spring provides, honing their skills for future hunts. Similarly, the graceful roe deer times its fawning with exquisite precision. As the grasslands transform into a lush green carpet dotted with wildflowers, the delicate fawns are born. Their spotted coats offer natural camouflage, blending seamlessly with the dappled light filtering through the undergrowth, protecting them from watchful predators. The rich, nutritious grasses provide the does with ample sustenance, allowing them to produce milk vital for their fawn's rapid growth. This precise timing is not merely coincidental. It is a matter of survival. Birth during harsher seasons, when food is scarce and cover minimal, would drastically reduce the fawn's chances of survival, a gamble nature cannot afford. Each year, the roe deer's life cycle aligns perfectly with spring's peak resources. Even the industrious western honeybee, a cornerstone of many ecosystems, thrives immensely in the spring. As flowers burst open in a riot of colors and scents, they offer an unparalleled bounty of nectar and pollen. This rich harvest fuels the colony's expansion, allowing the queen to lay thousands of eggs daily, swelling the hive's population. Worker bees buzz tirelessly from blossom to blossom, gathering resources, their intricate dances communicating the locations of the most abundant floral treasures. The stored honey and pollen become the lifeblood of the growing colony, supporting new generations of bees. The hive, once dormant, becomes a bustling metropolis of activity and growth. This surge in bee numbers is crucial for pollination, benefiting countless plants. Across all these diverse species, from the terrestrial fox to the aerial bee, spring's unique balance of warmth, abundant food, and relative safety creates the perfect, fleeting window for new life. It is a period of intense activity, a biological crescendo that ensures the perpetuation of ecosystems and the intricate web of nature. Each birth, each hatching, each new bloom is a testament to the season's profound power, a reaffirmation of life's enduring cycle. The air hums with the energy of new beginnings, a constant renewal. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, all heed this ancient call. The delicate balance of nature relies on this annual reproductive surge. Without spring's bounty, many species would struggle to survive. It is a time of hope, growth, and the promise of future generations. The world awakens, vibrant and alive, driven by this primal instinct. Every rustle in the leaves, every chirp in the air, speaks of new life. The cycle continues, unbroken, a testament to nature's resilience. This universal response to spring's signal is truly remarkable. It showcases the interconnectedness of all living things on Earth, a symphony of survival, played out across diverse landscapes. The warmth, the light, the food all perfectly orchestrated, ensuring that life finds a way, year after year, without fail. The magic of spring, an undeniable force of creation. It is a story told in every forest, every pond, every field. A story of renewal, adaptation, and the relentless march of life. And so, the world continues its dance, guided by nature's rhythm, forever responding to the powerful, life-giving call of spring.